Hey guys, how's it going? So we're back working on the 5.3, the Junkyard 5.3 tonight, and we're just going to pull the oil pan off and maybe the oil pump and the baffle on the inside. We'll see how far we get tonight, but I just want to give you guys a brief idea of what we're doing here. And all the rust fall. So I do a little bit of upload another video here just to kind of keep it going. Like I said before, we'll see how much traction these videos get. Hopefully you guys like them. Like I said before too, I just want to do something with this engine. It looks pretty rough, I know that, but you know what, let's be honest. We've all seen Haggerty engine rebuilds, and they brought some stuff back that were pretty rough too, so this is no different. Like reality is with this engine, everything's going to have to be replaced in it. Just of the nature of what happened, and it was sitting where it was sitting and how it was sitting and all that jazz. So tried to clean the shop up today. The shop being a 10 by 12 shed, 10 shed. Drop her in the comments, let me know what you guys are working on right now. Wouldn't mind hearing from everybody. See what kind of motors are doing up. Okay. One right here. Bunch of coolant came out of it earlier. That's why the looks like it's a mess here in the ground. That's what that's from. I didn't think there was anything in it, to be honest with you. But then again, I got thinking as well that this engine was outside, pretty much uncovered in the wrecking yard. So not surprised it got water in the block or something. When I popped the valve covers off the heads, the valve train was all rusted, so clearly they got water in there. So hopefully the block's not cracked or nothing like that. I have my doubts. I don't think it would be, but you never know. We'll get it pressure whenever I can afford it. We'll get it like pressure tested, and just to make sure everything's all good first. So. I think we might be good here. All right. Bolts. Okay, a little bit of sludge. Show you guys what's going on here. Yeah, a little bit of sludge there. Okay, so I'm just going to take that plate off there and I'll come back at you guys here. Okay guys, so we almost got the valley pan off, just a couple more bolts to go, and we'll see what that bottom end looks like. Ooh. Okay, I think that might be it for that. You just kind of have to wiggle that out. Okay. Here's the drum roll. Ooh. Give you guys a better look here. Okay, so we got some rust. Definitely. I don't know if that crank can be saved or not, or what to do. I might have to replace that. I don't know. Yeah, not surprised. There was probably a little bit of water in this engine, so yeah, some barnacle rust on there too. Not too bad up here, but when you get to this middle section here, it seems like that's where the water sat, I guess, the majority of it. But that's okay. We'll just continue on taking it apart, and you guys are going to find out as well as I will. Okay, we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers, and thanks for watching. Alright, I thought I'd better give you guys a better look in here. I got a flashlight with me, so yeah, she's pretty crusty. I mean that's okay though. I'm still gonna power through this, and rods are a bit rusty there. You know what? If I get to that point where I can afford it, we'll put a brand new rotating end in the bottom of this thing. Like it was amazing that it wasn't seized. Like when I got this, I could still spin it over, honestly. Maybe we'll like punch it out and do like a stroker or something like that. Yeah, a little bit of water down there. Okay, we'll see what happens anyway. Alright, talk to you guys later.